Beautiful English. Speaking practice. English grammar tenses. Passive voice. Advanced grammar.
Hi everybody, I am Teacher Vlad and Beautiful English, the best, the most beautiful and the most effective speaking training system. Everyone who wants to speak English fluently, beautifully and correctly should learn speaking English with Beautiful English. I hope you have already passed all my previous courses and are ready to go up to higher levels of English language. In the past, when I taught English to adults in Pattaya, I noticed that many of my students couldn't make correct sentences and didn't know anything about grammar tenses, even though they could speak English fluently. In fact, if you need English only for shopping or talking with bar girls, perhaps you don't need to know English grammar and moreover about passive voice. However, if you want to be a literate and educated person, or you need English to pass an English proficiency test, or you want to get a good job that needs high English level, you should learn grammar. You should know how to make correct affirmative, interrogative, and negative sentences. And you should also know how to make all types of sentences in the passive voice. You can go up to a basic level without learning grammar, but you cannot go up to an intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced levels of English without learning grammar and without learning about passive voice. Why many English learners feel like they do in these commands is because they learn English passively. They just watch YouTube videos but don't speak by themselves. And if you came up to the level where you feel that you should learn grammar tenses in passive voice, you should also understand that you will not be able to speak English fluently and correctly without enough speaking practice. You will not be able to start speaking English until you stop learning English and start learning speaking English. To help my students to master English on advanced levels and start speaking fluently and correctly using both active and passive voice, I have created Beautiful English speaking training system and this Grammar Tenses Passive Voice course. It consists of 10 lessons and some bonus lessons that will help you to review the most important topics about English grammar. I recommend you to watch all of them and try to understand and to remember everything you will learn from them. Each lesson consists of a short grammar section in which you will learn the sentence structure, time markers, and how to make interrogative and negative sentences. You will also learn some examples so that you can understand how to use passive voice in real situations. Grammar Lingua card will help you to get used to pronouncing new words and sentences. Color schemes will help you to make all types of sentences with different question words. Talking Lingua card will help you to make all types of sentences to improve your memory and cognitive abilities of your brain. After completing the course, you will broaden your vocabulary, will be able to understand English grammar on a deep level, will be able to make all types of sentences in all the grammar tenses in passive voice, understand spoken English, and speak using all the grammar tenses in passive voice. So what are you waiting for? Take your English Grammar Tenses Passive Voice course and start speaking English fluently, beautifully and correctly right now. Good luck and all the best. See you at my lessons.